Bonsoir. Comment ça va? People of Haiti, thank you very, very much for being here. Thank you very, very much for the warm welcome. We are here with a delegation from Curacao to extend opportunities and possibilities for trade, but also exchange of culture, and of course our family relationships. And all of this has been made possible because of connectivity. Because without connectivity, we can't be one Caribbean. But due to the opportunity and the courage and really going into realization of this opportunity, Sunrise has now developed a route between Curacao and Haiti, Haiti and Curacao, to establish this connectivity, which is the foundation for our relationships. And because of that, I think it is the right moment to give a great hand of applause for Sunrise, Mr. Philippe, with his great endeavors. And as Curacao, we want to respond to that because today we have a group, a trade mission from Curacao with at least 42 delegates of several sectors to explore the opportunities for relationships, trade, and commercial activities, but also from a cultural perspective and also from a family perspective. Also, we are very, very glad from a Sunrise perspective that Curacao has been chosen as one of the hubs. Haiti, of course, is a hub, and as a second hub in the vision to create one Caribbean, Curacao has been selected as the second hub, in which from Haiti through Curacao, Curacao as a hub gives the connectivity to a lot of other destinations in the Caribbean, in Europe, and in Latin America. And because of this vision, we embrace the endeavors of Sunrise to make this really happen and create that one next step in being one Caribbean. I believe if we can create one Caribbean in which, for example, the people of Haiti can come to Curacao for tourism, for trade, for the free zone, or for whatever endeavors, and vice versa, the people of Curacao can come to Haiti for support services, technology, manufacturing products. That is the foundation that will make us one Caribbean. Thank you very, very much, Sunrise, for these endeavors. Thank you very, very much, the people of Haiti, for welcoming us. And let's see this inaugurational flight of today as just that one step forward to make it one Caribbean. From a Curacao perspective, we are committed and we go for it. Thank you very, very much, and let's do this together.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Vous allez bien? Très bien. Donc, c'est un plaisir pour moi, au nom d'Haïti, de saluer la délégation de Curacao et le ministre du Développement économique de Curacao, M. Martina. Et je voudrais, au nom du ministère du Tourisme et du secteur touristique haïtien, présenter nos félicitations au Sunrise Airways, à son président, M. Bayard, pour son dynamisme et pour sa politique de connecter Haïti à la Caraïbe, qui est une des conditions pour amener plus de touristes en Haïti et faire visiter la Caraïbe par les Caribéens. Donc, je ne vais pas être long, je vous présente mes félicitations et je dis bon cocktail à tout le monde. Merci.
Could you say those words in English for us?
Yeah, I'm going to try to tell you guys what he exactly just said. He welcomes the delegation from Curacao and welcome the minister for being with us and congratulate the president of Sunrise for this but his inaugural flight from that connect Curacao and Haiti, and he appreciate that you guys come here to experience Haiti, and hopefully that can expand the relationship between both countries. Welcome and enjoy Haiti.
Thank you.
Very hard act to follow when the minister speaks before you. But I think that I'll start the evening just to echo a sentiment that Mr. Bayard mentioned this morning in Curacao when he said basically the skies are the absence of barriers. And this is really the opportunity for us to really start building not just a nation, but a region. And the ability to link Haiti to Curacao and to be able to go from there to reach the rest of the world. This is globalization at its best. This is the true spirit of what the airline can represent to connectivity to Haiti today and for the Haiti for tomorrow. I think that the delegation that is here accompanying us for the next couple of days for the business matchmaking, we wish you a tremendous amount of success. I think that the opportunities are here, the market is here, the creativity is here, the people of Haiti are willing to accept products from Curacao, are willing to export ideas and products back to Curacao, and are willing to facilitate a regional dialogue to make sure that things can really develop for the entire Caribbean basin. And I think that the opportunity that we have here with people that are committed to making this happen tonight, starting with Sunrise Airlines, and we again congratulate Mr. Bayard and his entire team, because I have to say, pulling off an inaugural flight like that we experienced today, it's an entire team that makes that happen. Congratulations, thank you very much for the experience, and we wish you a lot of luck in this route in the future, and all of the routes that are going to depend on it going forward. Congratulations and good luck. Thank you very much.